Today's video is a wig install and how I curled my wig. This wig is sent to me from YONIS Wigs. This is what the box look like. First of all, I do want to say this is the most beautiful wig that any company has ever sent me in my life, you guys. The lace, transparent. It was so, like, I'm literally like speechless. Like, it was so transparent. Y'all, I did all of this by myself, y'all. Y'all know usually when I do my hair videos, I just kind of like do them, try to do my best, whatever. But today I spent hours trying to do this wig install. So y'all, please show some love in the comments. Thumbs up the video. Leave a comment, put on your post notifications. I am going to be doing more synthetic wigs. I don't want to just keep promoting hair because they sent it to me. I really want y'all to find the hidden gems here, you know, in a beauty supply store and shit. So thank you so much to YONIS Wigs for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig. This wig is absolutely beautiful, y'all. It's soft. Look at this hair, y'all. Like, it's soft. It looks soft and it is soft. It's very soft. It was so easy to blend. Like, my mouth was dropping this whole like time that I was doing my hair because I'm like, wow, like it's literally blending like through my fucking scalp. But thank you so much to YONIS here for sponsoring this video. I'm in love with the hair, the quality, the customer service, everything. Like, girl, if it was my birthday, I would not be upset, y'all. I did all of this. Like, do y'all see that shine? Do y'all see that luster? Oh my god, y'all, just stay tuned and watch the video. Look at this hairline, you guys. This wig did come pre-plucked. I did pluck a little bit more, but literally like not a lot. Y'all know I'd be over plucking, so this is perfect for you guys that are like beginners at installing wigs. So this is what comes when you receive a wig from YONIS Wigs. You get some lashes, you get an information card, you get some goodies. Y'all know, like every wig company sends you. So this wig is a 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig. I have it in 24 inches and it is 180% density. You guys, this wig is so thick, like it's crazy. You can't rap burn and run out of hits. Say the wrong word, I'm shoot him in the shit. Used to be a dog, you a poodle. Y'all know I don't know how to braid, so I did some two color purple doodle braids. Like, I just had to do what I could do because y'all know I don't know how to braid. So this is the wig. It is so soft, y'all. Like, literally, I never got no wig from no company this soft. And the best part about this wig is the hairline. Like, it speaks for itself, so I'm just gonna let y'all see it. Like, it literally speaks for itself. I did bleach the knots a tiny bit for like 3 minutes, and it really didn't do no difference. The wig was already beautiful. So yeah, this is my favorite part of the wig, you guys, the part where you clip it in the back, because the wigs, sometimes they be coming a little too big for me, as you can see. So I do like to like tighten it in the back. Up a nigga status, cool in a bitch. Better think twice, my shooter in the video. Look at this. Sit feel like I'm cruising on the ship. It's your birthday, put some ice on your wrist. I reached every goal, had it right on the list. I'm struggling on toe, I should bite on the lip. I fly across the globe and I call another hit. They watching cause they know how slimy you can get. I'm running to the top, I'm bottom of the ditch. You can't rap burn and he running out of hits. Say the wrong word, I'm shoot him in the shit. Used to be a dog, you a poodle, I'm a pit. My trusty hold it all just as far as I can spit. You fucking up the mall, if you like it, then you get. You standing by the tile, if you broken, we'll fix.
Pull up to the Maybach in the driveway. Trap house had bitches counting hundreds in the room. How you claiming you a street nigga having loose lips? Got a lot of new shit. Eliante chain like the bottom of a ship. Got my niggas in the feds getting lows when they get out. Kiefer had to bring the bin, take her with the kid out. Got 5 bitches running off the dope at the penthouse. She ain't trying to give me no neck, she had to get out. Some of young shooters go wag some shit. Big brother taught me how to sit at the fist. When I pull up move saying she get cracking on the dick. Lil' shorty give me brain, I almost crashed. The whip get her, send around with your shoe size. For the, I done came about 2 times, yeah. I got top on top the rooftop, yeah. Big cullin' and suicide, yeah.
Cool in a bitch, better think twice, my shooter in the VIP. 10th grade, bought a frame, mule off licks. Percocet feel like I'm cruising on the ship. It's your birthday, put some ice on your wrist. I reached every goal, had it right on the list. I'm struggling on toe, I should bite on the lip. I fly across the globe and I call another hit. They watching cause they know how slimy you can get. I'm running to the top, I'm bottom of the ditch. You can't rap burn and he running out of hits. Say the wrong word, I'm shoot him in the shit. Used to be a dog, you a poodle, I'm a pit. My trusty hold it all just as far as I can spit. You fucking up the mall, if you like it, then you get. You standing by the tile, if you broken, we'll fix.
Ice. Yeah. Slime. Running out of hits. Yo. Let's cook.
You can lay your bones on the one side of my pillow. I got room for the skeletons in your closet. You can lay your bones on the one side of my pillow. I got room for the skeletons in your closet. I know your pain runs deep like rivers. Don't drift away from me. You carry burdens oh so heavy. Lay some of them on me. Are you gonna let me in this time? Don't you know I'm on your side? Tell me when you're gonna see me. Don't you know you need me? 'Cause I know where your demons hide. You can lay your bones on the one side of my pillow. I got room for the skeletons in your closet. You can lay your bones on the one side of my pillow. I got room for skeletons in your closet. Tell me all your secrets and I'll tell you mine. I want the ugly truth, not the beautiful kind. You can lay your bones on the one side of my pillow. I got room for the skeletons in your closet. Sitting here in the dark, let me be the one to light up your face. Running from a broken heart, been a while since you've been in a good place. If you don't want it, let it go. You'll be sad and alone. Sitting here in the dark, let me be the one to light up your face. Are you gonna let me in this time? Ooh, don't you know I'm on your side? Tell me when you're gonna see me. Don't you know you need me? 'Cause I know where your demons hide. You can lay your bones on the one side of my pillow. I got room for the skeletons in your closet. You can lay your bones on the one side of my pillow. I got room for the skeletons in your closet. Tell me all your secrets and I'll tell you mine. I want the ugly truth, not the beautiful kind. You can lay your bones on the one side of my pillow. I got room for the skeletons in your closet. You keep telling me no, nah, nah. You keep telling me no, nah, nah. You keep telling me no when I wanna say yeah. You keep telling me no, nah, nah. You keep telling me no, nah, nah. You keep telling me no when I wanna say yeah. You keep telling me no, nah, nah. You keep telling me no, nah, nah. You keep telling me no when I wanna say yeah. You keep telling me no, nah, nah. You keep
Money have me now.
Yeah, twinkle. Yeah. Like you know, remember me did one about a pussy, yeah. I made it tell you this is something you know ready for. But like your temper, man, you're different than a regular. I would it tell you, say my love, man, never trigger. Look, yeah, baby, if my tell you, say you are my first love, would you believe? May I forgive it to you, cause you saved me from the streets. But life would be without you, can't begin to imagine. All if you make me doubt you, me just feel me, I go love you same way. Let's get married, done with the play dates. Next 10 years, so are we the same place. Now I sell you out, this type of love, no exchange. Respect you to the fullest, not gonna make you feel no way. My heart iron, but you already know that. Fight for you like the Navy, I'm a little soldier. You give me everything, my one boy, you never hold back. Come and go fall in love again.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. All I ask them off the Exodus. You captain in charge, I'm off to get your bus. Man, no blood clot, I'm to let you go. You have my mind and my heart, me have to make you know. I close my eyes so I can see you in the darkness. Would you love me still, baby, girl, regardless? Third eye open so I can see all the darkness. Cause baby, it is obvious, you know,
that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart speed racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart speed racing, I've been waiting just to see you, see you, boo boo. Keep my eyes closed, just to feel you, darling. I keep my heart vulnerable. Baby, it is unimaginable, the feelings I feel for you. Need you for me. Feelings can't score it cause it is obvious. I'm in love. Heart speed racing, I've been waiting now. I don't know what you really have been through. I'm excited, I'm so in love with you.